what's up? It's me again. You'll have to excuse my voice because I had an allergic reaction to something and my voice has not completely come back yet. So let's talk about deep linking with a presenter and what a presenter is. And yeah, this is kind of difficult because a lot of people, first of all, have a hard time getting the idea of deep linking explained to them properly. Then of course, a presenter, right? Okay. So, let's get down to it. Um, let's talk about a deep link and a presenter. Okay, let's discuss what a basic presenter is. In the context of iOS development, a presenter is a design pattern associated with a model view presenter architectural pattern. This pattern is used for organizing code in a way that separates presentation logic from UI logic, enhancing the modularity and testability of the application. And here's a diagram. Model, this is your data, this is your presenter, and here is your view. Of course, there are your functions, and your interactions, and your actions from your view that come back to your presenter. This relationship right here dictates what you see. So before we get into deep thinking, let's look at a basic presenter and all that it entails. Okay, if I can. So this is a basic presenter, and I have other videos on presenters. But basically, here we go. I have my presenter. This is my view, my basic view. This is my view, my greeting view. And basically, I'm creating the app so that's a greeting. Okay. And you press a button, taps, create the button was tapped, and the other one clear the greeting. Tap, button was tapped, you clear the greeting. Right? To illustrate this simply, I have my presenter. My presenter implements observable object and this greeting presenter protocol. This protocol has the signature for three things: the greeting, which is a string, did tap button function, and the did clear button function. And when I go back to my presenter, I simply create the implementation. Right? Go back to my view, and I have my view, the button, the part where I put the action and the implementation. I create an instance of it called presenter dot greeting. But this isn't the instance of the actual. This is observable object presenter dot greeting. And of course, I set it every time I click either did tap or did clear button. Where's the implementation? Back here. Okay, so this is the basic functionality of a presenter in MVP design pattern. But I mean, yeah. So here we go. Of course, I don't have the model, just the basic presenter and the basic view. So now, what is a deep link? A deep link is a link that directs users to a specific content or page within an app, but only work if the app is already installed. So basically, I create a link, I create a scheme in my app, and this links to the app and it opens the app. I can even do it to where it even opens to a particular view within the app. So right here, This is a diagram. The user, this is deep link right here. This is his deep link. Let me go back real quick. Sorry. This goes to the card. In this example, we're gonna go straight to the card view. So I go, I initialize or I tap on, select this card, and it populates this view with the card view. Okay. Okay. And then we have deep view, the deep diagram presenter in a deep link. But let's go ahead and just look at the example of creating a deep link again. Okay. Okay, so now I have this let's go ahead and run this app. Basic deep link. And I don't remember how I got to it. So let's minimize this. I'm going to go here. Now I already have tutorials that show you how to create deep link. Small mark. Okay. Go to here. This is where I have my functionality. Receives the host and I'll select the type card. All right. And I go to jump definition, card. And I'll have my string, because this comes out to be a string. My string equivalent is card with the double quotes around each side. So I go here, go down here, here. I'm gonna say small art colon / card. And this is it right here. The card part is already there, and I have this view selected. So balance is 200, clear it. My balance is 0. So I can go to other parts of the app. Okay. And so if you really want to get into this code, this is available on my GitHub, and it's going to walk you through it. Of course, I've already done a tutorial on deep linking. So if you have any questions about actually all the steps for setting up a deep link, you can go check out that tutorial. But now let's go ahead and look at the version of this where I use a presenter to set up my presenter for my deep link. So now I have everything broken out, and this is my presenter. So here's my app, by the way. This is my app. And so usually when you create your deep link in your app file, right? Your main struct with your app main, you don't create a state object. In this instance, I do. And the state object is what is my deep link presenter, right? And then content view. I have my access to my presenter. And of course, I open the URL, presenter, handle deep link. And of course, go into our presenter, and our presenter handles all of the deep linking right here. Okay. And yeah, pass a string, and it sets my selected tab in my view to be, or selected tab in my published property to either be card, profile, or home. Now let me go to my content view. In my content view is what my tab bars. Create an instance, have my presenter here, an environment object presenter. And now this basically observes whenever a particular whatever selected tab is set. And it selects it here in my content view. And that's what you see, right? So if I go here, go back here, this is card, but if I say home, if I say profile is a little better, right? If I say profile, ROFILE, oh, wrong, sorry, that's wrong. Because I have to put my / profile. And I go here and it opens up profile. Now I can do the same thing with home. Again, if you have to, oh, by the way, so I'm over the wrong app. It's supposed to be Small Mart, not Walmart, right? So if I go here, go here, go to my URL types. This is Hallmark. You should say Hallmark. Oh, which it does say Hallmark. My bad. Hallmark profile, right? So yeah, I did it right. Never mind. Of course, I can go back here and make this card / card. It's a card view. And so, yes, so this hopefully this gives you a good example, a good overview of using a presenter with deep linking. Okay, and so I thought it'd be better, it'd be easier for me and better for you if I kind of gave you the code, didn't walk you through it step by step, and kind of focus on the big picture as opposed to small details. So that's all I have for this video. And if you have any questions, text me in the message in my comments or message me, or you can walk through the code yourself, download them, clone them from my GitHub. And I'm on to the next.